Basta sagot ng courtside, pwede.
Oo, tama. Si Daphne bahala.
Bola na agaw. Altamirano. 4 guys running down the floor. Getting back on defense itong Pasay.
He's one of their best scorers. He's a proven UAAP champion. Pero ito si Mark Meneses, makakuha ng dakdak.
Oh! He will slam it down. Raise the roof. Says Mark Meneses.
Pasay is coming off the outside. They need someone to be able to attack.
Ontiveros loves that spot. He has hit 3 of those. Swings it to Jello Santiago. He drives, wraparound pass. Manligues rejected by Meneses. Maraming salamat, Daphne. Alam mo, nakakatuwang story dito kay Don Don. He was supposed to be part, or they were eyeing him to be part of the lineup nung play-in. Ibaba na kanina ng pasa yan down to as low as 11. Enriquez, way off. De La Cruz hoops in and scores. 5 segundo na lang nalalabit sa kanilang shot clock. Aguiar has to make his move, turns around. Got Gortiza up in the air, and it's been that type of a night for the Cebu Greats.
You know, it really deflates you that you are trying so hard but parang walang tama kayong nagagawa.
Cebu will have a couple of games at home in July next month. Something to look forward to, mga kalaban ni Binyan on July 16. Evangelista the rebound. Alcoriza drives, lays it in. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
It's gonna be an exciting second game.
Montaño floats it up and in. Alcoriza the rebound. Simon Camacho giving chase, altering that shot.
Look at Camacho, man. It's the end game. Or you already have the win, but you secure that, you know, they're not gonna let anything easy for you. Still sprinting down.